Half of half, Part 1. Today we will learn what is half of half and how things are divided into 4 equal parts.
What are you doing, Daddy?
This time, I'm thinking of planting 4 different crops instead of one in our field.
And what are they?
Tomato, chili, onion, and carrots.
Oh wow, carrots too.
Yes, carrots too.
But what are you writing on the paper?
This paper shows our field and its measurements. The length of our field is 60 meters and the length of this paper is 60 centimeters. That means 1 meter of the field is taken as 1 centimeter on paper. I'm trying to divide our field into 4 equal parts on this paper so that I can plant one crop in 1/4 part.
What does 1/4 part mean?
1/4 part means one of the 4 parts of a thing or shape.
I didn't understand anything.
Do you know what is half?
Yes, when a thing is divided into 2 equal parts, then we say that it is divided into 2 halves.
That means we can say that when a thing is divided into 2 equal parts, then one part will be half of that thing.
Yes.
In the same way, if we divide a thing into 4 equal parts, then one part is called 1/4 of that thing.
Okay, but how do we divide the field into 4 equal parts?
It is very easy. First, we will divide the field into half, and then we will divide the halves into halves again.
Half of half.
Yes, if we divide the field into half, we will get 2 halves. If we divide the 2 halves equally again, the field will be divided into 4 equal parts.
I still don't understand it, Daddy.
Come, to divide this field into 4 equal parts, help me. Then you will understand it better.
Okay, let's divide this paper by folding it into half. When we open it, we see that the folding marks has divided the paper into 2 equal halves. Now measure the distance from this line to the edges on both sides of the paper. By doing this, we came to know that the paper is now divided into 2 equal parts and each part is 30 centimeters. This paper is now divided into 2 halves.
Yes. Now we need to find the 1/4 part of this paper. For that, we fold the paper in half and we can fold this half-folded paper again. And now we will open the paper completely. Now see, on both the halves of this paper, there are marks. And now you can measure this too.
Okay, I will measure them. 1/2 of this paper is 30 centimeters and half of half is 15 centimeters. Now this paper is divided into 4 equal parts.
Yes, now look here. This part is half of this paper. When we divided this half into half again, we got this part. Now this half of half part is called 1/4 part of this paper.
Okay, now this paper is divided into 4 equal parts and each part is 1/4 part of the whole paper.
Yes, Vandana. Today we have learned a part of an object is said to be 1/4 of the object when it is divided into 4 equal parts. To find 1/4 part of an object, we find half of the half of an object. We can also say that half of an object is 1/4 of that object.